Dear students, welcome in the course of analysis of algorithm. Dear students, in this course we need to understand some mathematical models, mathematical tools, and among these tools there is one important tool, that is mathematical induction. We need to understand why, because we have to prove some statements, some series, sequence and series by mathematically, and for that we use mathematical induction. Let's have a start. Let's have an example, and I already have written the content of the example so that we can save our time. Here I have a statement. It says that 1 plus 3 plus 5 and so on and so forth, any n odd numbers, if we do the summation of these n numbers, it will be equal to the square of that n numbers. This is a statement, and let's see, we prove it through mathematical induction. First of all, we have a basic step, our basis step. What is this step? This step tells that put n as 1, put the value of n as 1. So if we are putting the value of n on its left side and on its right side, it will be 1 on its left side and 1 on its right side. So our basic step is completed and it is successful. So now we are going to prove it for inductive step. For inductive step, first of all, what we need to do, we need to put n as k. We are just changing the name of our variable. So the statement will become 1 plus 3 plus 5 and so on and so forth, 2k minus 1, that is equal to k squared. This is the same statement as this statement, except that we have just changed the name of our variable. The next step, what we need to do, this is our equation number, suppose 1. The next step is that we need to put the value of n as k plus 1. So in this statement, where you find n, just replace it with k plus 1. So you can see that we have placed the value of n as k plus 1. So the statement becomes, our equation becomes this one. You can name it as equation number 2. Now, then we need to resolve this one. Why? Because we need an inductive step. So if you will solve this, you will find this one, and it is simple, equal to 2k plus 1, where I have written in over here. So this is the next term or the next value in this sequence. Why? Because if we are following this sequence and series, the next sequence or next value of this sequence will be 2k plus 1. By combining, this is it was the last term, last value, but we have find the inductive step. Now we will combine them. So by combining these statements, the sum of these R values equal to k plus 1 square. If you just consider or you ponder this sequence that denotes this one, as we have already this statement as given by our question, that the whole sequence of such type of values is equal to k square. As you know, this one, or n square. If we put n instead of k, it will be n or n square. So the sequence or series of these values is equal to k square. So just we need to put the other value that is just equal to this series of values, that is k square. Now if we combine this statement, now it will be k square plus 2k plus 1, that is equal to k square plus 1. And if you simplify this equation, it is just nothing except k plus 1 square, that just equal to k plus 1 square. So we have proved the inductive step. Now we can say by proving these two steps, the basic steps and the inductive step, we can say that our statement is true.